When somebody shares a screen with you in Zoom, if you want, you can annotate. You can mark something on the screen that they're sharing, and they and everybody else will see your annotation. So to do that, you go into View Options up here and then Annotate. And that's where you can highlight something like this, okay? You can change the color if you want. You can undo it if you want to. If you want to type in some text, you can certainly do that. Whatever it is that you want to do, you can erase that, but that annotation is being seen by others in the video call. And if you want to clear, you can clear everybody's drawings because other people can annotate as well, or you can just clear your own writing and drawings. And then if you want to save the changes that you've made, well, then you can certainly do that too. So a few different options there when you want to annotate somebody else's share screen in Zoom.